This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress, and today we're going to see how we can create an archive page for our custom post types. Now, if you haven't already caught up, we had created these Homes tab, which is a custom post type, and we added some posts. We also added some advanced custom fields. As you can see, we had added home name, pricing, excerpt, info, image, and all that stuff. I will link those videos in the description if you haven't checked those out, which you definitely should. For now, we're going to create a new page. Also, you're going to need Elementor Pro. I will link the Elementor Pro website in the description. Go to the website, choose your plan, complete your purchase, and install the plugin. Let's call this archive. Let's click on save as draft and let's start editing with Elementor. Now there are two ways to add archives to our archive page. The first one is posts. Let's go to query. Choose the source as homes, which is our custom post type. As you can see, our custom post types have appeared. Let's go to layout. By the way, you can also change, like for example, you want to include or exclude certain kinds of posts. You can do that from here, or you can order by date, title, menu order, or random. Or if you have lots of hundreds of posts, you can add pagination. But for now, since we have only 3 posts, let's continue with it. You can change the skin from full content to classic and cards. My personal favorite would be cards. You can also change whether you want to show the image or not. And you can add or remove the excerpt, which is this text. I would like to remove it. And I also want to remove this no comments thing. You can also add date, time, author, or date modified. You can also add or remove this read more. I'd also remove the avatar, which is this image, blank image. Let's go to styles and see the settings. This is the layout for columns we have. This is the alignment. And for the card, we have color, border width. Let's change some border radius. And it looks good. You can change the image settings from here. You can add some spacing. Let's go to content. And I want to change the color to black. It's looking good. You can also remove the hover effect. This little hover effect we get from hover effect, and click on none. So as you can see, but I'd like to stay it at gradient so it looks much better. Now another way of adding posts is using this portfolio widget. Again, go to query, choose the source as homes. As you can see, homes have appeared with this hover effect. Let's go to layout. You can change columns and post page as well. Let's go to style. You can add some columns gap. So as you can see, these are the two ways that you can add your custom post types and create an archive page. You can change the item overlay from here. I want to change something to light. Now this looks better. Now in this way you can create archive page. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.